Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error. The following components are required to run this program: Microsoft Visual C++ runtime for Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. In developer permission OS, select Windows and after that scroll down. Expand other tools and frameworks and redistributables. In Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables for Visual Studio 2022, you just need to select your bit. It depends on your system type. If you don't know your system type, then you just need to go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In here you can able to see your system bit. In my case, 64-bit operating system. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. If you are 32-bit operating system, then you just need to select the x86 option and select the download option. If you are 64-bit operating system, then select the 64-bit and select the download option. And it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. In my case, I already installed, so I have repair option. In your case, you will be get install option. Select the install option. After getting installation done, you just need to select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.